Hey there, Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a paint roller, and we're going to start with an ellipse on one end. And we need to draw a kind of a backwards letter C inside that. You can maybe add a couple little dots at the end there. And here we need to have, this is the plastics that are in a frame, and then you've got foam or sheep's wool or whatever sort of on the outside. We need to keep this on attached to the wire in the middle, which is like the axle with a wing nut. So that's sort of sticking through there. And then we need to put the sort of sheepskin stuff on the outside like that. Now continue this straight out like this with this wiggly line. And again here, keep going with a wiggly line, and then we want to join those two with a wiggly curve like that. And then we're also going to want to have a kind of a wiggly curve in there as well. Now down on the bottom edge here we can put lots of these little kind of random marks. They're really kind of short lines rather than dots, and they go in sort of random directions like that. But as you come nearer to the middle, then you can turn them into dots, and then they can go further apart, and that just helps to give it that sort of feeling of curvature. We might just put a bit of shade in there like that as well. Now we need to draw the wire handle, and I'm going to rotate this because it just makes it a bit easier to see what's going on, I think, with the angle. And bring that down there a little bit, so we want this coming straight down there like that, and then it'll bend in and then come straight down there, and we need two of those. So take your time like that, and then start just to one side, and we're going to draw a curve, and this will come down and into this funny kind of loop, and this is the in the plastic handle where it sort of creates a little hook that you can place over the paint tray to stop it sort of dripping and falling in and getting the handle all covered in paint, which you don't really want, do you? Now bring this down there like that, and we can sort of bring that down there, and we want to have this joined together in a curve at the bottom, and then we need one of those kind of backwards or upside down C's, isn't it, that one? And then we want to have a little kind of another ellipse, and we can just draw another bit inside like that. So that's so you can hang it on the wall, and then we can maybe do a little line like that, and maybe just a little bit more in there. And there you go, how to draw a paint roller real easy. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.